Roger that.
So Sony has finally done it. They finally created a camera that we've all been asking for, and that is a camera that's really a videographer's wet dream. This is the Sony A6400, and this is going to be my short overview. A while back, I picked up a cheap Craigslist A6000, which I said is still a fantastic camera in 2019 to pick up. You can find that video in my playlist. Since the A6000, Sony has released the A6300 and the 6500. However, this video is not about either of those cameras. The Sony A6400 really pushes the boundaries of what an entry-level APS-C camera should be, just like how the A7iii last year pushed the boundaries of what the entry-level full-frame camera market should look like. It features the same body as the 6300 and the 6500, so the only users that will have to adjust are people coming from A6000s. However, if you shot with the Sony, you can probably figure it out pretty fast. What makes the A6400 really exciting is the fact that Sony has finally given us a front-facing screen, something that vloggers and content creators have been waiting a long time for. The screen still functions similarly to the old ones found in the 6000, 6300, and 6500. However, by adding a second tilt point, the screen can now go up and be seen from the front of the camera. This makes it a fantastic camera for vloggers or people who are really filming themselves. Coupled alongside fantastic autofocus on par with the A7iii and a dedicated mic jack input, the 6400 is a really potent camera for people looking to create videos in 2019. So on paper, how does this camera compare to the 6300, which it succeeds? Well, it has the same touch focus as the A7iii, so basically you can choose touch on the screen and it will focus to that. Better low light performance up to ISO 32000. Just note that since it does not have IBIS or that back illuminated sensor from the A7iii, I would keep it below 12800. In my testing, I found that past that it got a little bit noisy. And so the only reason why you should pick up an A6500 over this camera is if you really need that IBIS option for your videos. And in my opinion, most people now, if they're making videos, will probably have a gimbal or something else that will help them. So as an A6000 user, should you upgrade? And in my opinion, only if you're planning to get into more video production, but after that, the A6400 is just a fantastic camera if you're looking to create videos, and that's who Sony's targeting for this. I hope you like this short overview. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe, and do whatever that helps make me make more of these. So thanks.
Are you living fly? Everybody wanna be somebody else. When you doing you don't need nobody else. Don't be a copycat. No, don't be a copycat. Nah, said don't be a copycat. Nah, Roger that.